The Allpax hollow punches are perfect for this job. To make this 5/8 bolt hole, you use the bayonet mount. You select the 5/8 cutter and put it on the mount. Line the tool up on your guide marks and strike it with a non-metallic mallet to cut the hole. These hollow punches are also great for cutting small concentric washers or smaller gaskets by cutting the ID and the OD at the same time. To do this, you mount both the ID cutter and the OD cutter on the bayonet at the same time. Notice how easily the cutters mount on the mandrel. Then you use the mallet to make the cut.